What's happening, y'all? So, you guys are probably seeing this in January, but anyway, for the entire month of January, I am going to be doing what is called the Hunter-Gather Challenge, where for the entire month, all I'm going to eat, all I'm going to consume is foods that I have hunted for or gathered, right? Harvested myself. Get off me, dog. He's chilling. He's just excited to be outside. Anyway, so I need to go out and I need to start stocking up on some stuff. So these first few videos that you guys are going to see of this challenge are just me going out. I'm going to be doing some fishing. I'm going to be doing a little bit of hunting. You know, see if we can get some like rabbits, squirrels, lots of trout fishing, because I think that's going to be the easiest thing for me to stock up on, or trout. I do have the kayak, so I'm gonna even try and attempt to do some big water fishing, see if I can find some white bass or some crappies. I'll just, you know, we're just kind of playing it by ear. I also have harvested some pecans and stuff like that. I might show you guys that. It's kind of boring, you know, you're just smacking nuts out of trees and stuff. Not a big deal. Yeah, and from there, you know, we're just gonna go. We're gonna make a big go of it. It is gonna be rough for sure, because I'm a huge foodie. I love eating food, and this is just, it's stretching me, testing my limits and my constitution, you know what I'm saying? But we're just gonna give it a shot and see what we can do. If things get bad, then I'll let you guys know, but as of right now, we're gonna give it our best shot. So next time you see me, we will be out on the river trying to catch some trout. All right, we are finally on the water. I was in a rush, so I don't feel like filming too much of like the transition type stuff. It's just not something I'm really into at this moment, just because I'm really bad at talking, you know? But figure we'll just keep on paddling up here to where the fish were biting last week, and then we'll fish our way back down as the sun comes down. And whatever it is, it's not hitting it like the trout typically does. It's probably just small. There we go. Got him. He's not very big. But we don't need him to be big. Oh, I still have my net tangled up in the back too. Oh, this guy's hooked good. Boom. Fish number one. He is a little guy, but it's not about numbers. Well, I guess it's about numbers, not size, I guess. A tiny one. Oh, he's about maybe the same size. Relax, relax. Don't fight me. Don't fight me too much. Man, you got all 3 of the hooks in them. I'm gonna be gentle with you. Just be gentle with me, okay? Man, their fins are sharp. Oh, that other one came out already. This guy's a little bit too small to keep. A little bit. I've said it before, man. Trout are just so slimy. Stop. There we go. Just let him go. Really, this guy's gonna cast right towards me. Really? This guy seems like he's a little bit better. Yeah, he'll keep. Just gonna try and tire him out a little bit. That way he won't fight me so much when I'm trying to get the hooks out of his mouth. Oh, he's still got some little bit of some good fight in him. There we go. Oh. We're gonna paddle up this way, and then as we drift back down, we'll just fish this area back to the park. There is a guy behind me who's fishing in his backyard. Well, I don't know if it's his backyard or whatever. He's in someone's backyard and he's fishing. And I don't think he's too happy with me because I'm over here catching. Well, I was just catching fish in the same area that he was fishing. And I was catching fish, you know, cast after cast. That's why I'm deciding to come up here a little bit. And, it's a decent one. Yeah, he's a nice one. Oh, don't lose him, don't lose him. There we go. Man, he choked it too. I think this is going to be a good spot. There we go. What'd I say? This guy's small. Well, I guess, relatively speaking, they're all pretty small. Actually, he's not too bad. He looked a lot smaller when he first jumped. Right on, guy. He's not really fighting. He's not putting up much of a fight. We got this handy dandy strap here to help us. Just sit down and we're gonna just get him right in the net. And he's sitting right at 10 inches. It's good size, good size. He is one of the larger ones that we've caught today. There we go. He's fighting good. It's another decent one. Where's my net? Under the seat. Oh gosh, he's a thick boy. Come here. Yeah, this guy's a little better. He's looking at just under 12. There we go. Kind of let him eat it a little bit. Man, this guy's fighting good. I don't think he's very big. He might be. Golly. He is big. This might be the biggest one of the day. Oh my gosh, and he's fast. Oh my gosh, look how fat he is. Oh my gosh. Oh! I almost lost him. Did my lure break? Oh, this is right around. Oh my gosh, let's get this guy in the net. Oh my gosh, look how big this guy is. He's over 12 inches. He's at 13. On the line, yeah, that's 13 inches. That is definitely the biggest one of the day. Oh my gosh. Right on, right on. All right, I do need to let some of these guys go. This is just such a feisty fish. All right, so this guy is the smallest. If I can see him again. There he is. Just so you guys can see. Throwing him back. The next smallest. Man, these are all good sized trout. I don't know if you guys can see. I think this guy on the top here, or this guy. Oh, they're all so close. We'll just, this guy here is, I think, the next smallest. And then, let's see. Need to put back one more. Oh, see, it's like a... This guy here is tiny. Did I just break my... I think I just broke my thing. Alright guys, so I'm heading back to the truck now. Release those fish. I think I might just, play around, paddle around a little bit before it gets too dark. But, yeah. I think the next step, we might do some more fishing tomorrow, or maybe even some hunting. We're gonna just kind of play tomorrow by ear. But, we're still on this grind, still trying to get as many animals in the fridge as possible. It doesn't always have to be trout, but we're gonna just give it a shot and see.